Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial we're gonna have a look at how you can extend the zoom reach of your Panasonic LUMIX L10 by using the crop zoom function. But before we get into the setting and a brief demo of how you can do that, I just wanted to highlight that this setting, as well as many others, depend on what is the recording file format that you have on the camera, as well as the recording quality. Now, to find out more around about how all of these work, we highly recommend that you download the operating instructions manual from our support website. And if you just look into it, it's going to be a PDF. Just search crop zoom. It will tell you exactly what are the supported recording file formats and the recording qualities that you can use for this setting, and many others as well. All right, with that out of the way, let's jump onto the camera and see exactly what we can do without crop zoom, and then what else we can do after we enable it. So I have here a little bit of a subject with an older Panasonic LUMIX camera. And let's say I want to get a really nice tight shot of that camera. If I zoom in, you can see it actually went quite well. It's quite close. I got about as far as 75 millimeters on this lens. But what if I want to go a little bit further? Well, this is where the crop zoom function comes in. And all we need to do is go into the menu, and I just wanted to show you first where you can find the recording file format and the recording quality settings so that you can know where to set these up first before you go to the crop zoom function. So all you need to do is go into the menu, and then on the very first page, go to the second image format setting here. And the two settings that you want to look for is the recording file format and the recording quality. And right now, the recording quality on the camera is actually full HD, 8-bit, and 50 frames per second, 50p. Now let's see if we can turn on crop zoom for this. There we go. And unfortunately not. It's grayed out. And I know it's grayed out because when we are using the full HD recording mode, the camera already crops into the sensor a little bit. And if you were to crop in even more by using crop zoom, the quality will be affected, and we don't want that. So, to fix that, all we need to do is go back to the recording quality, and we'd like to always go at a higher resolution. So in this case, we're going to go to 4K, come out of this menu, go back to crop zoom video, and hopefully you can see now we can actually turn it on. Set that to on. Come out of the menu, and let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Let's focus first, and let's zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So now the camera can actually zoom in all the way to 97 millimeters. Let's get our shot. Bit of a video there. Stop. And that's it. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.